Welcome to today's episode of Street Talk with Lega Aerobics. We are out to get people's opinion on the effect of chemical substance in food processing and what NAFDAC can do to protect Nigerians from harmful foods. Come along with us. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Musa Edwin.
My name is Mr. Mike.
So, sir, the first question: do you think most of the foods that are produced in Nigeria are are they naturally produced or chemically produced?
It's not natural produce. Some of them are chemical food. In terms of our vegetable, they use what we call fertilizer. Olden days, they don't use fertilizer much.
That's true.
The fertilizer they're using that time is more or less a natural fertilizer. But these days, they do by chemical fertilizer that quicken the product. So, and it's not good for our consumption.
So, to you now, have you ever bought a food item, like a food product that has chemical inside, that is chemically produced?
Yes, especially chicken.
Okay.
So if you come to chicken, it's like that. What they use to preserve that chicken is a chemical. So for myself, what I normally do, I'll parboil it and do away with the water before I consume it. Because I know that those oil on it is a chemical.
Okay, that's actually a valid point.
Bombastic side eye.
Most Nigerians are falling sick. Now you see someone of just a small boy having kidney disease. Do you think it's as a result of the intake or the consumption of all those chemicals?
Yes. Why I say yes, if you go to fast food now, you see our young Nigerians prefer fast food, and some of them consume chemical food. So it causes both cancer and damages to our organs. Even our drinks. Some of the drinks are, chemical drinks that they manufacture by corner, and people consume it. It affects our organs.
So how do you identify a product that is like chemical, that has chemical substance in it?
I discovered that in the night, my body system changed. So most of the time when you take the one that is not the original one, it changes your body system. It can even cause you malaria or typhoid. But when you eat original food, it nourishes your body. You sleep well.
So when you take all this beer and you know that it's bad for your consumption, like do you report it or?
Yes, I create awareness within my people and say for me, I don't think I'll continue. So I just do away. Yes, so I do away with it. So no matter how it takes, I'm not interested anymore. So I go by my water. Sometimes just little of red wine or mineral.
Okay, so there's a rumor that Maggi and you're familiar with that their substance are produced like add chemical substance.
Yes.
How true is this?
Yes. We need something like people need something like sweet, and most of the time, sweet thing is not good for the body. It's good. What is good for body is bitter things. When you give them, like our children, give them bitter leaf water, they say it's too bitter. But when you bring sugar or sweet, they will be jumping up. They want sweet. So, but that bitter leaf water is what we need to take to help our system than the sweet.
So, how do you think government agencies like NAFDAC need to do to protect Nigeria? What do you think they need to do to protect Nigeria from
in government aspect, they need to do more work. But the truth about the matter, in Nigeria, we are not honest to ourselves. If my brother is in the system and I'm bringing in something that's substandard, it's because of my brother. He do away with me and bring it in. So if Nigeria will begin to work very well to checkmate what comes into our country and what we produce, it will help us. So it's work of government. I cannot tell them what to do, but they know what to do. So in other country, you cannot produce anything anyhow in China, for example, and they consume it. The thing must go through the process to checkmate whether the thing is up to standard. So if Nigeria from this day will begin to be honest to ourselves because of our future, it will help us.
What do you have to say about food in Nigeria? Do you think they are naturally produced or chemically produced?
They are chemically produced. There's no doubt about it.
So what chemicals do you think they use?
There are various terrible chemicals they are using in fermenting, especially fruit. I think I was told at a certain time that they are the chemical they use in guiding their bodies.
So most people are saying because of this food, chemical produced food, that's why some Nigerians are falling ill. How true is this, sir?
It's very, very true. Even some of them are casseroles. Even the oil, the so-called palm oil that we are using, a lot of them chemical goes in.
If you discovered a product was unsafe or is expired, what would you do about it? Will you avoid it or you report to the necessary
I
authority?
will amplify it.
You
I'll
still
report it.
you report it. So what body do you think you are going to? What body are you going to report this
Well,
case
the
to?
problem is, you are asking a very sensitive question. The
Thank you
problem
very
with
much.
NAFDAC are disappointed us.
Okay.
Because these people will tell you, most of these things you are saying carry NAFDAC number.
Yes.
Are you going to say? Most of them carry NAFDAC number. And it's still under it. A lot of things going on. Because the NAFDAC does not carry out their actual primary responsibility. What they are after is carry your product, bring it, carry envelope, and journey.
So what do you think NAFDAC should do to protect life?
They know what to do. I don't need to tell them. For them to actually carry out the right, their right duty, or what? Investigating the food, testing it, and get what is supposed to be. There are some of these things that are supposed to process a certain quality of nutrients, iron, what do you call it? Mineral resources.
Yes, mineral
And so on and
resources.
so forth.
I agree.
And some of them are not, those things are not there. Or some of them will just come with one bottle. Those components of nutrients will be in that very bottle they come to present to them. Are you going to get
Yes, sir.
But that's okay. It's all right. That's all. The other one is gone. And some they go to the office. The same number of people will tell the people, the producers of all those drink and food or whatever. Are you going to say, do like this, do like this, carry this one, go and hide it after our visit to your shop or to the factory? Then you can bring it out. They are the same people.